The modern PC has moved away from being a static, isolated tool. Under the OS as a service model, Windows 11 functions as a persistent telemetry node, maintaining a background connection to remote servers that tracks how the system is used. Microsoft points to a figure of 6 megabytes of diagnostic data per day to describe the system's outbound footprint. However, this diagnostic stream now exists alongside AI features like Windows Recall, which captures screenshots of your activity at short intervals to build a searchable, local history of everything you do. For most users, privacy management begins and ends in the Windows 11 Settings app. You navigate to Diagnostics and Feedback and toggle the Send Optional Diagnostic Data switch to the off position. This provides an immediate sense of security. The user interface updates, the options gray out, and it appears as though you have created a data vacuum where your activity stays strictly on your local hardware. This diagram shows why a 6 megabyte stream is a deceptive measure of privacy. When expanded, that small data footprint reveals a dense collection of behavioral signals, app usage timelines, and crash reports that can include snapshots of your system memory. Relying on the standard off switch is a mistake. It functions as a placebo, failing to interrupt the most significant data collection processes happening inside the machine. To understand why data continues to leave the system, we have to look at the architecture of the OS. Microsoft maintains a technical and legal distinction between optional diagnostic data and required diagnostic data. This diagram illustrates how the two streams are handled. Toggling the setting in the UI blocks the optional data branch. However, the required data, which includes thousands of appraiser events and driver status reports, is designed to bypass that barrier entirely. Power users often attempt to block this flow using the registry editor. By manually setting the Allow Telemetry policy value to 0, they attempt to force the system into a state that stops even the required diagnostics. This change is visible on the surface of the OS. The privacy toggles in your Settings app will become grayed out, with a message stating that these settings are managed by your organization. While the UI indicates the policy is active, the Windows codebase handles this specific registry edit differently depending on which version of Windows you paid for. On Enterprise editions, this policy is absolute and halts the telemetry. But on Windows Home and Pro, the operating system is hard-coded to ignore the 0 value, allowing the required data stream to phase right through the policy barrier. Microsoft has effectively established a privacy ceiling for consumers, reserving the ability to truly silence the operating system for corporate and educational entities. Since the policy layer is restricted for home users, we have to look deeper into the OS architecture to find the actual mechanism that bundles and transmits this data. That mechanism is a background service called Connected User Experiences and Telemetry, identified in the system as diagtrack. This schematic shows diagtrack's role as the central transport layer. It functions as a funnel, gathering scattered data points from across the hardware and software stack and bundling them for transmission to Microsoft servers. Stopping this process requires manually disabling the service through the command prompt or the System Services menu. This effectively severs the transport link that the registry and UI settings leave intact. Gaining control over this data stream involves moving past surface-level menus and directly intervening in the operating system's underlying plumbing. Curious, this raises a question of intent. Why does Microsoft go to such lengths to ensure this baseline data remains active, even overriding a user's manual registry inputs? This network graph visualizes the engineering challenge Microsoft faces. They must manage updates across millions of varied hardware configurations. From their perspective, the required data stream is the only way to catch driver failures and system crashes before they become widespread. This engineering requirement creates a direct trade-off with user autonomy. Even local features like Windows Recall, while not currently sent to the cloud, create a concentrated history of your activity that is vulnerable to anyone with physical access to your device. Because of this architecture, waiting for a single comprehensive off switch is an ineffective way to manage modern digital privacy. A more effective posture is a layered defense. This involves using the Settings UI to stop the optional data, applying registry policies to signal intent, and performing service-level shutdowns to choke the flow at the transport layer. Achieving a perfectly silent machine is structurally impossible on consumer versions of Windows. The goal for the user is to deliberately shrink the aperture of the data stream, reclaiming agency over what the hardware is permitted to share.